Hey, it's your girl J Slate. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey. Today I'll be doing an eyebrow tutorial. If you want your eyebrows to look something like this, stay tuned. Jumping right in, we're going to brush those brows, and then we're going to take your preferred eyebrow pencil and trace along your natural brow line on the top and the bottom. Your eyebrows aren't supposed to be twin sisters. They're not gonna look exactly alike unless you're just like a perfecting eyebrow artist, and I love you because I need to get whatever magical juice that you're drinking. A lot of people, like when I was younger, they thought that I was like taking like I don't know, those little razors that they use at the barbershop for guys and making a line in my eyebrow. No. See, what had happened was, I'm gonna talk and tell y'all what happened to my eyebrow. So when I was younger, I'm very clumsy, guys. Like all my life, I had to fight clumsy, right? So the story is, according to my mom, is that I was running around my great grandma's house and she had like this den area. So there's like a den area where all the toys were. So I was running or walking or doing a light jog and I tripped over the Jack-in-the-Box and somehow hit my eyebrow, this part right here where you see that line on a corner of a table. So yeah, there was blood, there were stitches. If I can find the picture of me, I got a picture taken of me and I had the stitch on there, I will show you guys and paste it below somewhere. But yeah, that's what happened. I do not cut my eyebrow. That's just how it is. Moving on. All right. So let me finish out this other brow really quickly. All right, so I have lined out my brows. This one is a little bit more round and this one's a little bit more pointy, and I want it to be more round. So what I'm gonna do now is just fill in the half part of my brow, starting from like here back with the pencil. So I'm just gonna lightly stroke to fill it in. All right, so just lightly stroke like this and fill it in. Try not to, well, it depends on your preference, but try not to take your eyebrow like down here. Like, you want to let it fall naturally. I know some people like to take their brow and just like all the way down here. I made that mistake when I first started doing my eyebrows back in like 2010, 2011. It was probably 2011. Because that's when I was working at Six Flags Over Georgia. Humble beginnings. And one boy that I was working with, his name was Ryan. And we would be always joining each other as employees in our, I worked in the pizzeria. And he said, "That's why your eyebrow all the way down here." And I was like, you wouldn't have to roast me like that. I don't even know how to jump for it. Anyway, let me finish. All right, so I'm going in with my LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm just cleaning up underneath both brows using an angle brush. So I'm gonna go in with a more fluffy brush to blend that concealer in circular motion and sideways motions as well.
Here I'm using the Ulta Beauty eyebrow filler in dark brown, and I'm just going to take that powder and fill in the half part of my brows while I leave a natural fade in the beginning of my brows there. And I'm just going to clean that up with that LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn. And I'm just going to now clean the top part of my brow now that I have the filler on. Alright, so what you see me doing here is just rounding out that brow a little bit underneath to give it a little bit more of an arch. I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. I'm going to arch it out a bit with that angle brush. So I'm going to go in with a more fluffy brush to blend that concealer in circular motions and sideways motions as well. Once you have blended that concealer in, you're going to take your spoolie and just fade in the front part of your eyebrow, and then you're done. This is what you got. This is the finished product, guys.
Hey guys, I finished my eyebrows. What do you think? Do you think they look saucy, or you think I need to take it back to the drawing board? All right, so I finished my whole face, put on some lashes, did a little lip. You know, of course, my eyeshadow was already did in the beginning of the video. But please tell me what you think. Don't come for me unless I send for you. But you know, all comments and opinions are welcome. All right, so get into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, this is your girl J Slay, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye.